Hello people, it's a quick DIY today for a tracing box or a tracing plank that you can easily make with light underneath. I've used a plank with legs. I've inverted it, placed an old glass that I had from a broken shoe rack, and I've fixed a ceiling lamp, LED ceiling lamp with wiring and plug, and I've just kept it in between those legs. I'll just switch it off to show you how it looks. This is a ceiling lamp that has been kept in here. In case you don't have a plank with legs, you can use wooden pieces on both sides to support the glass. Since I've had requests to talk in Tamil too, I'll translate what I've said now in Tamil. இது வந்து ட்ரேஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, டிசைன் ட்ரேஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ட்ரேசிங் பாக்ஸ். பழைய மனையில் பழைய கிளாஸ் ஒன்றத்தை வச்சுட்டு அடியில் சீலிங் லேம்ப், எல்இடி சீலிங் லேம்பில் வயரிங் ப்ளக்லாம் போட்டு அதை அதில் ப்ளேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். If you want me to talk in Hindi also, do send me a request. I can manage a fairly decent Hindi. So here's your DIY tracing box that is transportable. If you don't have the plank, you can use wooden strips that are left over from other work at home to support the glass. This is under 500 Indian rupees, so it's a quick one for you to easily get it done. Hope you all like it and enjoy it. Have fun creating. Bye.